Buyer's Review. Hey my friends, welcome back. This is Kieran Hogg, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Buyerz. This is going live on June 7th at 11:45 Eastern Standard Time, and it is being launched by Michael Suroy. And guys, I was a little bit unsure about this product, and then when I got a look at the material in the members area like so, I was really pleasantly surprised. We're going to look at all the things that you're going to learn about it, and basically what this is you're going to flip the tables on affiliate marketing. Instead of always reviewing other people's products, this is a really good tutorial in my opinion about how you can create your own product, and you can be the actual product creator and then have your affiliates come to you. So I think there's a lot of good stuff in here, guys. We're going to check all this out. We're going to check out their bonuses, my bonuses. I have some exclusive bonuses that I prepared for this, including my mega bonus bundle with 150 bonuses for free.
That's two.
That's right, my friends. So we're going to learn about Buyerz, the OTOs, and get a really good look at this product. So that, my friends, I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, my friends. Now, before we get into the members area, let me just take you to, let me just take you to my bonus page where we're going to look at some of the main features of Buyerz. So guys, this is going to stay up until Friday, June 10th. You're going to have access to all my bonuses here. And this is Michael saying that he makes $30,000 to $50,000 a year completely part-time by using this method of creating products. So you are going to be able to do this, and basically he doesn't spend a lot of time doing it. 30 minutes or less. You're going to have no sales copy to write from scratch. So he has templates that he's going to show you how he uses it, and no useless traffic apps. And you need a system that will allow you to never pay for traffic ever again. And you can access this anywhere in the world. All right. So guys, we're going to look at that in a moment. I'm going to look at my bonuses in a moment, but let's get a better idea of the content you're going to get in the actual members area. So here's a thank you to Buyerz. Please note the bonuses are added in the training. So you will see in a moment that the front end and the OTOs have different bonuses peppered in between them. Okay. So guys, we have 9 sections here with multiple videos inside each section. Want to make more money and get more affiliates from your product launches? So you can upgrade. You can get the Get 4 Done For You OTO templates here, your JV Cash Contest template here, and are you an affiliate and want 100% commissions? You can click on those there. Now, the special offer below is ideal for you because 100% of your clients need traffic to profit online. So here's a special offer, guys. How would you like to never spend a single dime on your own pocket, from your own pocket, and on traffic, and keep all the profits? So that is something that you could do there, guys. So the average internet marketer spends more than $1,000 per year. So here, guys, you can read this. So basically saying don't do that. Click here to see how I can set up your traffic business and includes leads to profit right away. And here is Michael Suroy himself, and you can click on that stuff there. So guys, let me take you just to what you're going to be doing here. So you're going to have a method overview, suggested tools, what to avoid, easy product creation, sales copy hacks, email setup, offer setup, JV invite and contest, and get massive conversions. So I won't show you that. Well, okay, I'll just do a quick look at each section here, guys. So you're going to have the method overview here. You're going to click here to get the next part of the training, or just go back. So if I just click on the next part. So guys, you're going to learn all this kind of stuff in the suggested tools: domain and hosting, web page, editor, tracking, and rotator, autoresponder, Muncheye, Warrior Plus, Facebook, many different things there, guys. Now, if I take you to the next one, what to avoid, and easy product creation. So if I just click there, for example, So you're going to see many videos here showing you how to do it. Now I know the quality of his logo is just kind of substandard, but the actual information in it I do find very helpful, and I think you will get a lot of benefit from it as well. So I was pleasantly surprised, like I said. Okay. Go back to the main menu. And sales copy hacks right there. Email setup there. Product, part 1, offer setup, JV invite. So guys, there's a lot of material here. So how to structure your sales page, front end sales copy hack, rewording method, creating an easy discount page, suggested one-time offers. So there is, like I said, quite a lot of information. And each section, each module, if you will, has a lot of videos embedded inside as well. So you're going to get a lot of value from this. All right. Now let me take you guys to my bonuses here as well. So the first one is to do with the crypto situation. So if you want to make money with crypto, but you're a little bit afraid, you don't want to put your own money in, Buyez is the solution that you want. You can create $300 to $500 daily with crypto without having to spend a penny or a dime or any amount of money. So that's very cool. Next one, guys, is a 3-in-1 software email builder. You're going to get an autoresponder, you're going to get a page builder, and you're going to get a system where you can put videos into your email, so you're going to get more engagement. This is a very cool 3-in-1. This one, guys, you can siphon the profits from the gurus legally. You'll see how you can do that in there. Top 5 email marketing tips from a 7-figure marketer. So this person knows exactly what he is talking about, and he's got some excellent information that you are going to benefit from as well. This is my own personal bonus that I created for you, how to build an email list easily. And guys, this is my mega bonus bundle, 150 amazing bonuses for free.
Awesome. Yes.
That is right. And guys, like we said, the vendor bonuses are going to be peppered in throughout the members area and the OTOs. Now, to get all this stuff, you just want to go to the sales page. Now look here, guys, you're actually going to get it for $7 off, so it's only going to be $10. Very good deal. And here is just a VSL, so a sales letter right there, video sales letter. You want to click on here, and then it's going to take you, there it is again, it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. You're going to click on that blue button there, and then here's where you're going to get access to all of my bonuses. And if I just click on this, you're going to see there are 150 talking about traffic, organic traffic, paid traffic, ads, Bing ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, organic traffic, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Reddit, other kinds of email marketing, how to do blogs, plugins, WordPress plugins, other things like video tutorials, PDF tutorials, even real estate, Teespring, and it just goes on and on and on, and you can have all of these yourself. So guys, that is a way of me saying thank you for using my link. Now, let's check out, oh, this is how you can reach me as well, guys, KieranGHogg.com. You can learn more about me there. And if we just go to the sales page, so guys, you already know 30,000 to 50,000. Now this is about a 6-minute video that I will put down in my description below. You can check that out on your own time. And guys, it's very easy. Everything I teach in this training can be replicated over and over. Minimum effort required. When leads are free, it makes a whole difference. No need for previous experience. And guys, very easy to do. As you can see, it was just a lot of video tutorials there. So you can check this out more on your own time, but look at all the video tutorials that you're going to be getting here, guys. Just so much, okay? So total watch time is 155 minutes, 45 seconds. Here are some of the bonuses. The rewritable buyers list welcome email template. Inside this done for you template, you will be able to get your buyers to whitelist your email address. You'll be able to get done for you templates, be able to upsell and make more money, and how it could sell it for $197, but it's giving it away for free. Writable JV post template. Next one, lots of JV groups that will get you affiliates, and guaranteed approval through Warrior Plus, and 6 promotional swipes. So on top of getting approval as an affiliate, you will also get 6 promotional buyer swipes. You can use these swipes in your emails, blogs, social media, anywhere you want, and you're going to get unlimited support. So if you have any questions, Michael and his team are going to be able to help you out. No questions there, guys. Okay, so we have some more. We have some financial proof here and so on. You can have the lifestyle that you want. All right, guys, so you can check this out. We have some frequently asked questions as well. Now let me take you to the upsells. Okay, guys, so the front end is $17, but you're going to get a $7 discount, so it's only going to be $10. You're going to get my exclusive bonuses, my 150 mega bonus bundle, Michael's bonuses, and like I said, I was pleasantly surprised with the actual material in the members area. I do think it is very helpful. The OTO 1, 4 OTOs, re-editable templates, 27 downsells, 17, and a bonus re-editable emails. So guys, I think that is something you might want to consider on the downsell. OTO 2 is a JPH and recruiting templates, 37 downsell of 27, re-editable emails as well as the bonus. To make this easy on your clients, I created a generic JV page in HTML. All they have to do is fill in the blanks. Very cool. All includes readjustable JV recruiting email templates that can be used on any offer. So if you do have your own website, you could just copy that, put it in there, change your information. Huge time saver. Trust me, I'm learning Elementor and it's a big time saver. So the downsell could be very worthy in my opinion. A lot of time saved. OTO 3 case study, how he made an extra $10,000 per month from the back end of his products. This is 47 downsell of 37. The bonus is my special recurring profit swipe set. And number 4 is the buyer's commission boost 97 and 2 free bonuses. So your clients and students can take this upgrade and get 100% commissions through your entire funnel. Also, they will get 5 promotional swipes and they can use them anywhere they want. Guys, I like bonus number 1 and I like the JV page. If you have your own email and you're new and you don't want to go through the pain and hassle of creating your own JV pages, you can consider getting that, and then you can just plug in your information. Very, very big time saver. All right, guys, here is just a summary. Like I said, everything you need for you to be able to create your own products so you can flip it, as I said. Pardon me. You're going to get all of my bonuses here, including my mega bonus bundle. You're going to get Michael's bonuses as well. And guys, like I said, this is a pretty cool product. For only $10 plus all the information and value that I'm giving you, you can get the OTO 1 and the OTO 2 or 3, in my opinion. Maybe just take one of those. And guys, you're going to get good value from this. So I hope you enjoyed this review about Buyerz. And I would love it if you could leave a like, leave a comment. If you have any questions, hit that bell button so you're always notified. And guys, if you want to take your marketing to the next level, you can click on that site there and also click on my free training. All right, my friends, this concludes my Buyerz review. Thanks again for your time. I really appreciate it. Best of luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.